It's me, Jimmy again. So now let's upgrade the RAM on the Asus Duo 16 2020 version with the DDR4 32GB RAM. So first we have to open it. I'm using a T5 screw driver. Just try to open slowly and make sure to keep track of the screw. There will be 13 screw and this one will not come out. Okay, here we go. So I just want to keep it in order. And here we go. And this one. Okay, here we go with this one. This one won't come out, but still I will open it. As you can see, this one won't come out. Make sure to keep the track of it, and one will be here in the middle. Oh, finally I did not lose this screw. I'm happy. Okay, here we go. And for this one you have to remove the rubber cover. Let me use something nicer. Maybe this pick will be better. Okay, not this one. What about this one? I mean, this is one of the bad design. Like how bad design you wanna make it. Make sure to keep the track of the rubber. Don't lose it. So I will be applying it later on. So this one is a longer screw. Okay, remember that one. Make sure to touch some kind of metal so you don't want to discharge the static electricity. And this one is a long one. Oh, make sure to be careful. Okay. Another long one. Come on, I don't wanna lose that. And finally, and make sure there's some kind of metal. So let me touch some metal to discharge the electricity. So I'm just trying to. So yeah, now we are ready for the removal. Where the pick? Maybe let's see with this one. Okay, so it's quite easy. Wow, it's quite simple. Wow, I'm really very happy. And it's removed. And here's my RAM. Let me open it. With this one, I don't know, can we? Okay, we are done. Again, let me touch something metal. Can I find something metal or not? Like this one. And okay, let me just do some basic dusting Just 1 minute. And here is the RAM. It's using some kind of heat spreader on it. And here we go. Is it using the heat spreader? Come on. So this RAM is one-sided. As you can see, this RAM is both-sided. Can you see or not? Can you see or not? Kind of focus. So this RAM is like both-sided. Can it fit or not? So I'm not sure. Like this. I'm a little bit nervous. Like this, right angle. Finally it fit. And this RAM I'll be keeping here. Again, as you see, I ordered 2 RAM. I ordered 32. I want to upgrade to 64, but they only send me 1 stick. I don't know why. Don't worry, I already opened a dispute with Amazon. I had to send me another one. How it was like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. Let me just close it. Okay. And so yeah, it looks quite beautiful, as you can see. And here's the SSD. I can put second stick here. Let me just now close it. I have to be careful. I mean, really careful. It's quite easy to remove, aside from the stupid middle rubber sticker. I mean, I really don't know what's going on. Come on. Let me use this longer one. Let me show here. Okay, first we have to close from here. If not close from here, it's useless. Okay, let me put this screw here. As you can see, you have to close from here. Okay, now finally snap. The middle screw go over here. Let me just put back the screws. Did I lose one screw? No, here. My wife, how are you? How are you? You wanna say hi to the viewers? Wife, how are you? Hello, wife. Say hi. She's angry with me because I did not bring a breakfast for her today. So most probably she have to cook at home. What a bad wife. Okay. Let me just close it. And these two here. And these two here. That's simple. Okay, let me just close it slowly. Come on, come on, come on. You don't have to over tighten. A little bit torque is enough, as you can see, like this. Okay. Here we go. Wow, I love it. Wow, I'm tired. I put back the rubber. So yes, it can take the double-sided RAM. Yes, good, like this. And let me tighten this one. And what about this one? Yeah. There we go. And this one also. I know the video is a little bit long, but I don't want to take, like, I don't want to miss any point. So if I face some difficulty, you will know in the video that how I'm doing everything. I think I did a mistake. This thing screw seems a little bit longer than the rest of it. Okay, let me just put this one inside and see slowly and calmly. So now let me turn on. So now the moment of truth is here. Okay, like this. Come on. I just pressed the on button. Come on. So yeah, finally I can hear the sound. Not worry, I've showed the RAM configuration and the bottom of the screen. I'm worried that something wrong happened. Come on. Okay, window hellos. Let me enter the pin. Okay. Okay, let me just open the taskbar. RAM. Okay, it's recognizing, as you can see, it's recognizing. Let me lower the brightness. Can you see? It's recognizing the RAM. Okay, SODIMM, awesome. It's recognizing. And let me open the armory crate and let me bring down, cancel. RAM is recognizing here also. So yeah, finally mission accomplished. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinitis pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.